Go away. My tree. Oh. Hey, Amber. It's really hot.
Go home.
Hot. But it's my turn for the tree. No, it's my turn.
No.
I thought it was my turn.
Touch me here.
Touch me.
Okay.
Oh my god.
My tree.
But why?
Because it's my tree.
Don't stop this, you're all country. Oh my god. Get with the tree.
It's my tree.
Shh, kid, stop talking.
It's my tree, Lisa. It's my tree.
Oh no.
Oh, I'm dead.
My hands, they have blood on them. Oh no. I didn't mean to. I killed her and it was an accident. Oh no.
I don't care if you kill her, just don't mess with the internet stuff.
Go home,
What?
Lisa.
Okay. Oh no. Death. I feel terrible. I'm gonna go to the tree every day now because it's hot. Oh.
Don't
And now,
get away from that corner.
now, shh. Now, it's snow.
What's in your hand?
Snow a Twinkie I threw in her face.
I'm retarded.
Go home, Lisa. Go home.
Hey now.
Go home.
It's snowing and I'm under the tree because I love the tree. It's my tree. Oh no, what's this? I thought you were dead.
Boogie, boogie, boo.
Sorry.
You're supposed to faint, you silly goose.
Oh, faintedness.
I win.